up, guys? Today, this is gonna be a quick day, probably a short vlog today. All we're gonna do is get some headlights and taillights restored. Right now, I'm going to pick up the headlights at my house. So we're going over there, and then we're gonna head to my buddy's shop and get them restored. I'm here at Platinum Auto Detailing. They're doing my headlights and restoration. That's for a Lancer, and then the taillights are for a Velociter, a Hyundai.
Oh yeah.
Going done, man. Hit up these guys. Platinum Auto Detailing in Bakersfield, California. Get done right.
Oh my God!
Needs a car wash.
Ouch!
Ow.
Got him!
Just got back from Platinum Detailing. I'm at home now, as you can see. Oh yeah, I forgot to update you guys on my tire problem that I had. It's fixed. I'm very happy. I plugged it and then put some air in it, and it's good to go, guys. Since the owner of Platinum Detailing was busy, he was detailing that truck you guys saw. So we're gonna go check out their Instagram so I can give you a better, information, how to contact them and their address and so forth. Guys, we're here at my laptop. This is Platinum Detailing 661's Instagram. Since the laptop's not letting me have a clear shot of the information, I'm gonna put a screenshot on the screen right now so you can check out the information. So here, I'm not sure if you can see it, but they got a Rolls Royce. You know their quality is good if the Rolls Royce hitting you up. And you got an Audi. Let's check out that Rolls. That shit is clean. You got some trucks. We got an AMG. We got some Evos, imports. We got a Range. You got an RV, Porsche, Vet. We got a boat. That reminds me. I remember I had a boat.
Boots and hoes, boots and hoes. I gotta have me my boots and hoes. Boots and hoes, boots and hoes. I gotta have me my boots and hoes. Boots and hoes, boots and hoes. I gotta have me my boots and hoes.
The Nina, the Benta, the Santa Maria. I'll do you in the bottom while you're drinking sangria.
Nachos, lemon heads, my dad's boat. You won't go down, it can float.
We sail around the world and go port to port. Every time I come, I produce a quart.
Put on your life vest, let's drop anchor. There's a nice lady who I like to swank her.
Boots and hoes, boots and hoes. I gotta have me my boots and hoes. Boots and hoes, boots and hoes. I gotta have me my...
Sorry about that, guys. Where was I? R33. That's what's up. Nice guys, nice. They do awesome work. A lot of quality stuff, guys. So if you guys need any kind of work, just hit them up. Alright guys, that'll be it for the vlog for today. I'll see you guys on the next vlog, and happy 4th of July, guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss a post. Also follow us on our shop Instagram, and we'll see you on the next vlog. Peace out, guys.